The automation trap. When machines think, do we stop? Most AI failures aren't caused by machines. They're caused by humans who stop thinking the moment the machine starts talking. What if I told you that the most dangerous mistake in the 21st century isn't a software bug? It's a human being who says, the AI must be right. Because right now, 85% of executives admit they trust AI decisions without understanding them. And that blind trust is already costing companies billions and costing people their lives. Welcome to the automation trap. The moment we stop thinking because the machine thinks for us. Let me take you inside a real scenario. A hospital adopts an AI system that flags high-risk patients. The machine marks one patient as low risk. No red flags. No alerts. Green light. But the AI didn't know. The patient looked anxious. The nurse felt something was off. The patient's mother mentioned heart issues. Never entered into the system. A few days later, that same patient returned, in full cardiac arrest. Nothing was wrong with the machine. Everything was wrong with the assumptions we made about it. The paradox is simple. The more capable AI becomes, the more we stop questioning it. AI predicts, AI calculates, AI optimizes. But AI does not understand. It doesn't see context. It doesn't sense urgency. It doesn't feel responsibility. And it definitely doesn't carry moral weight. AI can tell you what is likely to happen, but only you can decide what should happen. Here's what the data says. According to PwC, 80% of executives say their teams over-relied on AI. MIT found that 61% of AI-generated legal arguments contain logical fallacies, yet lawyers trusted nearly half of them. A 2023 MIT study revealed 40% of deployed AI systems amplify human biases if not audited. In other words, AI doesn't replace human bias. It amplifies it, at scale, at speed, and without apology. An example is self-driving cars. Humans trusting the autopilot and falling asleep. The result? Fatal accidents when the system misread lane markings. Another example is Amazon's hiring algorithm AI penalizing CVs containing words like women's chess club. It wasn't the AI that raised the alarm. It was the engineers who finally asked the right question. A third example is predictive policing AI predicting higher crime in minority neighborhoods solely because historical bias was fed into the model. And one more example is the financial model's AI ignoring pre-2010 economic data. Overconfident predictions. Millions lost in minutes. These aren't science fiction stories. They're warnings. To break the automation trap, you must relearn 3 simple powers. First, before you accept an AI output, pause. Ask yourself, is this signal or is this noise? Second, interrogate the model. What is this based on? What's missing? Is it logical? Who might this harm? Finally, machines don't choose. They calculate. Humans choose. Humans bear consequences. Humans carry ethics. That's why critical thinking isn't optional. It's existential. The automation trap is real. But escaping it is simple. Never outsource your judgment. Never give up your mind. Never trust a system you don't understand. AI may be the engine, but your critical thinking is the steering wheel. A deep dive into how blind trust in AI leads smart people into catastrophic decisions, and how to break free from automation bias before it breaks you. Subscribe now to level up your thinking, sharpen your edge, and build the one skill AI can't automate. And visit AMR Farag's space for the tools, templates, and frameworks you need to lead in the AI era.